Hey guys, JetRix103 here. And today we're gonna be doing some more restaurant tycoon. Dominic is getting on. He's gonna make a video as well. So yeah, I did already make a video, but I decided not to upload it since it was really boring. It was just me doing this for the whole time and showing other restaurants. But now Dominic's gonna get in here, so now we can troll him. See right there. Do. Right now, I'm trying to get 3 more tips, is what I need right now. Do. Who wants ice cream? Ice cream. Who wants it? I know you want it. See, I know my customers so good. See, the person who wants steak is gonna be right here. Yep. See, I didn't even have to look. Totally. Chow mein. You want chow mein. And you want chow mein. See, guys? You gotta know your customers. Who wants this? You want this. Okay. Gotta go fast. Gotta get the money. You do that, I'll get the hot chocolate. Who wants the hot chocolate? Who ordered that hot chocolate? You did. Okay, someone's ordering a shake. Let me go get that shake. Boom, let's get the shake. No, not this. The shake. I got the shake. Let's go. Oh, she got the shake. Never mind. I don't care. Ah! Right there. Onion rings. I should see some onion rings. Onion rings, I got it. Here you go, sir. Shake. Nope. I got a tip. Let's go. Whew, you gotta do this fast. I need the egg roll. Egg roll? Egg tart, sorry. Who wants egg tart? You do. Boom. Okay. Table for 4? Yeah. Right there. Collect dishes, get that. We're one more away, guys. You want the salad. Oh, his face looked broken for a second. Okay, well, that's good. Oh, I was talking to Dominic for a second, guys. If you guys were wondering. Okay, anything over here that I need? Nope. Okay, you need to start cooking. Table for 4? Yes, right here. Woo, spaghetti. Who wanted this? Oh, you want some steak. Someone over here wants it. You. No. Who wants the spaghetti? You do. No. Who wants the spaghetti? You want the spaghetti. Take your spaghetti. No. Never mind. Who wants the stupid spaghetti? You do. Spaghetti with meatballs. I know who this belongs to. Belongs to you. Okay. No tip. Tomato soup? Oh, no, steak. Okay, you want a steak. Fish and chips. Over here. Who wanted fish and chips? That was over here. You did. Okay, berry smoothie. Who wants berry smoothie? You do. Duck rolls. Who wants it? Duck. You want the duck rolls. Okay, table for 4? Right here. It's a birthday. Happy birthday. We'll collect the dishes. Meat pizza. You wanted the meat pizza. Collect your dishes. You guys want this stuff. Okay. I got that. Okay. Okay, chicken wings. Over here, over here. You want it? Yes! Coffee! I know who wanted the coffee. You wanted the coffee. Tomato soup. Ravioli, ravioli. Who wants this? You do. Oh, someone already took the tea. Okay, okay, okay. Table, table, table. Right there. Right there. Spetty. Woo! Get a workout. Go, 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 go. Get this done. You gotta be the best. Coffee. Who wants coffee? You did. Okay, gotta get this done. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. I gotta get a tip. Fish and chips. Someone over here. You. Ravioli. No, you want the dumplings. You want the ravioli. Close them. Woo! Close them. Over here. I don't know why I'm saying close them. It's salad. Oh, this is the close zone. Okay. Close on, close on, close on, close on, close on, close on. Yes, there's a tip. Oh, you wanted the close zone. Let's go. Let's go. Chinese chef. Level up. Max level. I only need the American and the British. I'm doing American next. Whew. Feel the burn. Okay, let's also go visit Dominic and annoy him. Are you recording, Dominic? Okay. You and me should start over for our recording, Dominic. Look at this nub. He has 1.1 stars. He's the worst. Isn't he bad, guys? He only has 1.1 star. I'm so confused, actually. He did have 5 stars. This game's super weird. Whee! Oh, traditions. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Whew, whew. Gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast. Okay, I am sorry about that. That was me in super rush, super rush mode. Okay, one second. So yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, I will say. Let me go show you Dominic's place quickly, and then we're gonna end the video. So that was me in super rush mode, where I need to get all the tips to upgrade people. Here's Dominic's place. Him and me are gonna restart for our video, so it's gonna be just us at the very beginning.